In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to fix slightly soft footage and make it sharper using a simple built-in effect. Sometimes your video isn't completely out of focus, but it just looks a little soft and lacks detail. We can improve that quickly. Let's begin. First, select your clip on the timeline. Now go to the effects panel and search for Sharpen. Drag the Sharpen effect onto your clip. Next, go to the Effect Controls panel. You'll see the Sharpen amount slider. Slowly increase the Sharpen value. As you increase it, you'll notice the edges and details in the footage become clearer. Be careful not to overdo it. If you push the Sharpen value too high, the image can start to look grainy or unnatural. Zoom into the program monitor to 100% to properly judge the sharpness. Adjust the value until the footage looks clearer but still natural. This effect works best for slightly soft footage, not completely out of focus clips. And that's it. Do you now know how to fix slightly soft footage using the Sharpen effect in Adobe Premiere Pro? If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.